This is TJ, a female, 13 years old. She's a former Bidewee resident from many years ago. She was given up by her owner after many, many years of living in comfort. She's not doing badly. She's an extremely loving, friendly girl and wants to touch and love and comfort. And her owner, her new owner, you can see she's absolutely precious. Absolutely precious. 13 years old of love. Total girl. TJ, very, very sweet. Whoops. Come on, get it. There you go. Got a pipe cleaner on your neck.